Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 15 top stories we are covering today. Steam controller returns with a modern redesign and deeper ecosystem integration. Steam has announced the return of its controller with a modern redesign and deeper ecosystem integration. Priced at $99, the new controller is set to launch on May 4, featuring a more balanced approach with traditional analog sticks and a D-pad, reflecting feedback from years of community use. This update marks a significant step forward from the original Steam controller, which debuted in 2015. Forza Horizon 6 disastrously leaks online over a week ahead of its official release. Forza Horizon 6 leaked online 9 days before its official release, with a cracked version available for download and independent play. The leak occurred when a developer forgot to encrypt data for build 23,118,904 on May 10, allowing users to intercept and share the game. Valve says it's working on Steam Deck too, but that probably doesn't mean what you think. Could it have an ARM-based future? Valve is working on the Steam Deck too, with programmer Pierre-Loup Griffais confirming development progress. However, it's unlikely the device will be released soon, as Valve is still focused on delivering previously announced hardware. My favorite Meta Quest gaming announcements from the Creature Feature 2026 showcase. Creature Feature 2026 showcased exciting new releases for Meta Quest gamers, including the highly anticipated sequel, Hot Dogs, Horseshoes and Hand Grenades 2, and new games, Compass and Wordbound. The event also featured updates for existing favorites and a publisher sale on Creature's existing games. EA reportedly wanted Alice. Madness returns to be more sexy, so its developer put dildos on a snail. Former id Software designer American Magee revealed details about the development of 2011's Alice, Madness Returns, published by Electronic Arts. According to Magee, there was a significant disconnect between his vision for the game and EA marketing's expectations. As a result, Magee incorporated elements that pleased the marketing team, including putting dildos on a snail. The first hour with a Windows gaming handheld is still too confusing, and that's where the Steam Deck really shines. The reviewer praises the ROG Xbox Ally X gaming handheld for its ability to play a wide range of games with ease, despite not reaching high frame rates. The device's versatility and compatibility with Windows 11 make it a powerful emulation powerhouse, but also introduce complexity for those unfamiliar with Linux. Subnautica 2 launches soon after lengthy legal dispute. Subnautica 2, currently Steam's most wishlisted title, is set to launch in early access on PC and Xbox Series XS on May 14th. The game was initially delayed from 2025 to 2026 due to playtest feedback and a subsequent legal dispute between developer Unknown Worlds and owner Krafton. The wait is over. NVIDIA GeForce Now is launching in India on April 16. NVIDIA GeForce Now will launch in India on April 16, initially in beta mode for those who have registered on the NVIDIA India microsite. The cloud gaming service will offer identical features as in other regions, with NVIDIA running its own servers in the country. It allows users to play their own games on any device by linking storefronts and streaming games through a web browser. PC gaming tinkerer throws down the gauntlet with $950 DIY Steam machine. YouTuber Zach built a DIY Steam machine for $950, powered by a Ryzen 5 5600X processor, Radeon RX 9060 XT graphics card, and 16 GB of DDR4 memory. The rig can run games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Spider-Man 2 at up to 60 FPS in 4K, with FSR upscaling enabled. Valve's new $100 Steam controller sells out instantly, as scalpers try to flip them for up to $300. Valve's new Steam controller sold out instantly within 30 minutes of its release, with scalpers already attempting to resell the device on eBay for up to $400, a threefold increase from the original price. The controller's initial inventory is expected to be held back for the launch of the Steam Machine Home console, leaving buyers with few options, but to wait or take a gamble on overpriced listings. I'm overjoyed about a friendslip game, finally. A new co-op game, Flock Around, has captured the attention of gamers, offering a faithful open-world experience centered around birdwatching. Players can explore different biomes, use various upgrades to aid in spotting and photographing 65 distinct bird species, either solo or with friends. Valve has a plan to stop scalpers from botting the Steam machine. Valve introduces measures to combat scalpers, including a reservation system for the Steam Machine and Steam Controller. The plan allows buyers to purchase the devices directly from Valve, avoiding exorbitant prices on resale marketplaces. The system requires an active Steam account, with purchases made before April 27 necessary to participate. We hate that not everyone who wanted one was able to get it. Valve laments that the Steam Controller went out of stock instantly, says it's working on a restock. Valve's Steam Controller sold out instantly after its May 4 release, leaving many PC gamers unable to purchase the $99 accessory due to stock issues. The company is working to restock the controller and promises to provide an update on the expected timeline soon. Slay the Spire 2 is getting review bombed again, this time because of chuds. Slay the Spire 2 is being review bombed on Steam, with over 2,500 negative reviews in a single day, due to online backlash against the game's inclusion of Anita Sarkeesian as a consultant in its credits. Sarkeesian is a media critic and founder of Feminist Frequency, known for her feminist analysis of video games. The backlash is reminiscent of Gamergate, a 2014 controversy sparked by her YouTube series Tropes vs. Women in Video Games. Purge your gaming PC's recycling bin, you filthy animals. A PC gamer on the subreddit accumulated 300 GB of junk in their recycling bin over almost a decade, prompting disbelief and amusement among commenters. The user attributed the accumulation to gradual storage upgrades, which allowed the bin to grow with their files. Please like, subscribe, and comment your views on this channel.